Hello, my name is Camila, and I'm going to talk about difficult sounds in English for Spanish speakers. Okay, we are going to start talking about short and long vowel sound E and E. The objective: by the end of this lesson, students will be able to recognize the difference between short and long vowel sound E and E. Outcome: pronounce correctly the short and long vowel E and E. Justification: why the short E and the long E sounds are difficult to make. Okay, they are difficult to make because in our language, Spanish does not have distinction between short and long vowels. So that's the reason it is difficult to pronounce for us. So let's see the vowel sounds. So we have the short sound that is represented by this phoneme, and the lips spread with a slight smile, the relaxed facial muscles, and tongue. For example, the word sheep, sheep. And on the other hand, we have the long sound that is represented by this phoneme, and the lips spread with a wide smile, and tongue hide their mouth, tense facial muscles, and tongue. For example, the word sheep, sheep. So let's review some examples. We have team and team. So let's team, team. Okay, very good. Beat, beat. Feet and feet. And the last one, it and eat. Okay, very good. Now, for practice, we have a tongue twister, and you are going to listen the tongue twister, and then you are going to try to repeat it. Okay, so just let's listen. It's being the thing to seen unseen, for that's the life of a human being. But if you seen unseen as a being, how will you know it's not a dream that you are dreaming? Okay. Let's do it again. It's being the thing to seen unseen, for that's the life of a human being. But if you seen unseen as a being, how will you know it's not a dream that you are dreaming? Okay, try to do it. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next. Bye.